Hi, I'm Declan, and this is how to assemble and install a blind corner base cabinet. Let's get into it. Blind corner base cabinets are a smart way to maximize storage in kitchen corners, making the most of otherwise hard to reach spaces. Start by laying out your parts and check them off against the instructions. Begin by attaching the bottom panel to the back panel using the supplied screws. Then, fix the side panels to the base and back, ensuring the front edges are flush. The side panels will overhang at the back by about 20 mm. This allows for greater flexibility if your walls aren't square. Next, install the top support rail to stabilize the frame. Once the cabinet frame is assembled, attach the adjustable feet. These will help you level the cabinet later to match the height of your other base cabinets. If your unit requires a shelf, insert your supports and place your shelf on top. Now, let's install the blind panel. You can change the orientation from either left or right, depending on the placement of your blind corner. If you have a 450 mm door, mark a line of 66 mm all the way down the panel in from the side of the panel on the opposite end to the lugs. If you're using a larger door, adjust this measurement accordingly. From here, attach the L brackets, 3 on the top, 3 underneath, and 2 on the side. Then, clamp the blind panel to the cabinet, ensuring it aligns with your markings, and then secure it with screws. Now it's time to install your blind corner hinges. Start by removing the hinge arms from the mounting plates. To do this, just press the release tab at the end. Line up the elongated holes on each plate with a pre-drilled one inside the panel. These often come with small plastic lugs to help with positioning. Make sure the round holes in the plate face the front, then secure them using 14 mm screws. Once the plates are in, line up the door so that the hinge arms align with the mounted plates. Clip each hinge arm into place with a firm push. You'll hear a click when they lock in. Check to make sure it's secure, then gently open and close to test the movement. Next, place the cabinet in the corner, ensuring the blind side is against the wall. Level the cabinet using the adjustable feet and a spirit level. You'll likely notice a small gap, so pop in some packers to fill that space. Then, drill through the back panel into the wall studs using screws that are at least 65 mm long. If you're joining another cabinet, clamp them, drill pilot holes, and screw them together through the side panels. And there you have it. You've successfully installed your blind corner base cabinet. If you like this video, make sure you check out our other instructional guides. We've got plenty of DIY advice online to help tackle your next project with confidence.